Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So let's try to solve the second problem from basic array, that is count of odd numbers in array. So we are given array of n elements and the task is to return the count of the numbers of odd in the array. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many odd numbers are there we have to return? So it is 1, 3 and 5. So output should be 3. In this case also 5 odd numbers are there. So 1, 2, 1 3 ones are there, 4 ones are there, and 5 is the one, so that's why 5, and 2 is the even number, so that's why out of 6 5 are odd, so we are returning 5. N equal to 5 array, and we have to choose the output. So 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 2, 5 is odd, 3, 7 is odd, right, 7 is odd, 4 and 5, so output should be 5. Yes, right. So let's try to understand this. Okay, so we know right, we have to count the numbers, right, odd numbers here. So what we'll do, we'll take one counter int count equal to 0, right. Then we know array size is, let's say, 4, and array is, let's say, 1, 3, 1 and 2. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll run one for loop for I equal to 0 till I is less than n. It is due to the index, right? So index is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, index should be like array indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So we are running this for loop. So inside that, what we'll do, we will check whether the number is odd or not. So how we can check? If array of I modulo 2 not equal to 0, we know this condition, right? If it is like divided by 2 and there is a reminder, it is mean it is a odd number, right? So what we'll do, we'll do count plus plus and at the end return count, right? So this is easy. So let's try to write this. What we'll do, int count equal to 0, then we'll run one for loop int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, then we'll add one more condition, if array of I modulo 2 equal to not equal to 0, right, not equal to 0. If it's even, then we should have added equal to 0, count plus plus. Okay, and then return count. Let's try to run this. Yes, it's accepted. Let's submit this. Yes, it's done. And talking about the time complexity here, time complexity, it is nothing but O of n, because we are running from 0 to n this particular for loop, and space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space in this particular example. Thank you for watching.